Understanding Password Security, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important topic in the digital world, password security. Understanding this concept is crucial for keeping your online information safe. So, let's dive into what password security means and why it's so important. Password security refers to the practices and methods used to create and manage strong passwords to protect your personal and sensitive information online. A strong password acts like a key to your digital house, keeping unwanted guests out. It's the first line of defense against unauthorized access to your accounts, whether it's your email, social media, or bank account. In this digital age, we store a lot of personal information online. Password security is crucial because it helps prevent identity theft, fraud, and unauthorized access to your accounts. A weak password is like a broken lock, easy for cyber criminals to open. By securing your passwords, you're not just protecting your information but also your digital identity. A strong password is 1. Long, at least 12 characters long. 2. Complex, a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. 3. Unique, different for each of your accounts. 4. Memorable, easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Avoid common mistakes like using easily guessable passwords such as 123,456, password, or your name. 1. Use a password manager. This tool can generate and store complex passwords for you. 2. Change passwords regularly. Update your passwords every few months. 3. Beware of phishing attacks. Don't give out your password in response to unexpected emails or messages. 4. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. I hope this video helps you understand the importance of password security and how you can keep your digital life secure. Remember, a strong password is the foundation of your online safety. Stay safe and see you in the next video.